Hello students, this question is a little lengthy, so we will just look at the diagram and follow this question. We have a plane P having the equation Lx plus My plus Nz equal to 0, and it contains the line this equation. As you can see, if plane P divides the line segment AB joining points A and B into the ratio k:1, then the value of k is equal to. So here we have this line where it is in this plane over here, Lx plus My plus Nz is equal to 0. So what we will do is, we know this is the line that we are talking about. This is segment AB that has these points, and we have the k:1 ratio, the equation of plane, the equation of line. We know that the line lies on the plane, so we can say the direction ratios can be put in the plane to get the values. As we know, the direction ratios also give us another point on the plane, so we put -1, 2 and 3 on the plane and get the equation in terms of L, M and N. And after that, we also know that the line that we have over here has the points -1, 1, -4 and -2. So we put these values in the equation of the plane and get another relation in terms of L, M and N. And once we have that, as I said, the line lies on the plane, so the direction ratios give us a point on the plane. This is the equation that we get. Point on the line also lies on the plane, as I said. So this is the point, and this point, when we write it in the plane, we get this equation. After solving these two equations over here, we get m in terms of n, and also we need L in terms of n. So we put 2m equal to n in the first case and get L is equals to 4n. Now we need the ratio in order to find the direction ratios for the normal, which will directly give us the equation of the plane. So how we are going to find out is L is to M is to N as 4n by n by 2 by n. Now if we divide throughout by 2, we will get 8n is to n is to n is to 2n, and if we divide throughout by n, we get 8 is to 1 is to 2, which means L, M and N has the direction ratios 8 is to 1 is to 2. So this is the very general part of the direction ratio, so we will consider that and get the plane equation as 8x plus y plus 2z equal to 0. Once we have the plane equation, we know how the ratio is, that is k is to 1, and the point is A on the A is below, B is above, and the ratio is something like this as per the diagram, correct? So we will write the point A plus B times K, because B has K opposite to it. So ratio, how the ratio works is A times 1 plus B times K. I'm sorry, I will write it a little properly. Plus B times K upon K plus 1. This is how we will write each point on A and B, and then we will put that point in the equation of the line. As we know, that point is the one that divides A and B from the plane in the ratio K is to 1. So we put this combination over here, and we get -3 plus 2k by k plus 1, -6 plus 4k by k plus 1, 1 minus 3k by k plus 1, and it lies on the plane. So we put these points in the equation of the line as we, or the equation of the plane. So 8 times this plus 1 times this plus 2 times this is equals to 0, and once we simplify enough, we get the value of k to be equal to 2. Thank you.